welcome to our YouTube channel Sky's the Limit. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon to get instant notifications of our videos. So let's continue with the series on HTML. So in this lesson, we will see how to display special characters in a web page, okay, and symbol also. So in HTML we cannot write symbols directly like pi, beta, subscript, superscript or sigma symbols, okay. So we will see in this lesson some characters and symbols. So let me go to my Sublime Text Editor and I have already saved the file. So let me type HTML syntax and let me give the title as lesson 15. And first I will use this subscript character and I will display a square plus b square equals to c square equation, okay. So here I will first type a, then I will use this superscript tag, then I will type 2 for square, okay, then I will type pass and then b, then superscript tag, then I will type 2 for square and then I will type c square, okay. So let's save the file and let's see in the browser. So as you can see, our output is as expected, okay. We have shown this equation, okay. So let's use subscript character, okay. For that we will write log 10 base 10, okay. So I will type first log, let me break one, make br tag, okay, and let's type log and then I will type here subscript tag and then I will type 10 and then here I will type 10, okay. So let's save this and let's see in the browser. So as you can see, our output is as expected, okay. You can type here e also. So let's save and let's see. So as you can see, our output as expected, okay. So by this way you can practice this subscript or superscript characters, okay. Let me put here br tag. For displaying symbols, we have to write their entities, okay. And if there is no entities of that symbol, so at that time we can use the decimal or hexadecimal reference, okay, that already specified in the cheat sheet of the HTML. So I will also show the website where you can find various type of symbols, okay. So let's use some general symbols which are oftenly used for us, okay. So first let's display copyright symbol. So for displaying this symbol we have to write we can write their entities, okay. So for the copyright, entity is copy, okay. So if you simply type this syntax, it will display the copyright symbol. So let's save this and let's see. So as you can see, the copyright symbol is in our web page, okay. You can also use their decimal reference, okay. So for that we have to type ampersand, then hash sign, and its decimal number is 169, okay. So let's save this and let's see in the browser. So as you can see, our second copyright symbol, okay, and we can also write we can also write its decimal reference, okay. So for that we have to write this ampersand x hash and then x, okay, and its hexadecimal symbol is a and 9, okay. So let's save these and let's see in the browser. So as you can see, output is as expected, okay. So by this way you can type this copyright symbol. There are some other symbols, let's see. So let me use this break and let's first use this let's first display a root symbol, okay. So for root symbol we have to write their entity named radic, okay. So it will display the root, okay. So let's save this and let's see. So as you can see, we can see the root symbol. Okay, it's a decimal number is ampersand, then hash, then we have to write 8730. Okay, and hexadecimal reference is 221A. Okay, so let's save these and let's see in the browser. So as you can see, our output is as expected. Okay, so you can type any of one from these two, okay, for displaying that symbol. Let me break. Okay, and let's display sum symbol. Okay, so its entity is ampersand sum. So let's save this and let's see in the browser. So as you can see, our output is as expected. Okay, it has a decimal reference with 8721, and hexadecimal reference is 2211. Okay, so let's use that hexadecimal number. So ampersand hash x, then 2211. Okay, let's save this and let's see. So as you can see, output is as expected. Okay, so by this way you can type another symbol. So let's see, use another symbol named infinity. Okay, so we will see infinity symbol. So its entity is infin. Okay, so we have to write this entity, and its decimal reference is 8734. So let's type 8734 and let's save this and let's see in the browser. So as you can see, your output is as expected. Okay, so you can write you can display some other symbols which you want. Okay, I have already make this HTML file for you that you can go through it. Okay, let me show you in the browser. So let me expand the window. Okay, so you can see some other symbols. These are greater than symbol, less than symbol. Okay, this arrow. Okay, delta. Okay, and here we cannot see any symbol. Okay, because here with whatever I write here, it does not support this Edge browser. So you can try to another browser like Chrome browser or Internet Explorer. Okay, so it depends on browser. Okay, it supports or not. Okay, so by this way you can practice these symbols. Okay, let me show you the cheat sheet. Okay, so you can refer this website, okay, named W3 School. Okay, you can also use some other symbols. Okay, so let me show you that. Okay, please wait. So you can see some other symbols. You can use this decimal number or this hexadecimal reference. Okay, some symbols have their entities. Okay, you can also use you can also see some maths operators. Okay, from here for all, and this part is a differential character. Okay, so you can use any of these. Okay, by using these reference or entities. Okay, so it is enough for these symbols and characters. We will meet in the next tutorial. So till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and goodbye. Thank you.